Hello people, what is up? How are you today? So I am back here again with another new video. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside. We went outside for picnic. So this is our spot. This is where we are, our hostelers. Alright, so around 32 of us are here. Kavai Boys Hostel. Alright, so see, it is a season of paddy and it looks green. This is September. We'll be harvesting soon. It looks amazing. Everything is green, so beautiful. But the water is not very clean today. Okay. So we are staying over there. We are going to prepare food and more over that place. So we are here. So let's see what are the things we are going to do. I do not know yet, but let's have fun together. All right. So stay with me, watch till the end, and let's have a good day. All right, so let's check around. Okay. Say hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi my Hi YouTube. Media No, no.
Video ni ko photo natin. Oi. We have been here before as well. I think this is not the first time, and maybe this is the third or fourth time that I am visiting this place. But this place is very good for picnic. It's a picnic spot, so a lot of people will be visiting here very soon for picnic. It's very lovely, amazing. The view is wow, I can't explain. Beautiful. So right now I am working here on a bridge, and let's check out the view. Today the sky is so beautiful. Wow. And I love the sounds of the environment. Insects chirping, the sounds of water flowing, everything is so beautiful. Frame the life of real men. Shorts the Ningshi bra. Onion, potato, squash. Mr. Ephraim là cân là xem nó lấy. Ni cái nào xì ở video này cô. Very hot as well. Nungsa si shi cái tuổi ấy. खुद
वहाँ पे मेरा छोटा बैग रखा है लेके आने
चिंबा मिक पांग दे. Okay. Rice is ready here. We'll be cooking this soon. Nungsa yam saba marak sida Mr. Nganing kui na kanna nung si kam na kay sing phula galay. Wow. The water looks not very clean, yet they are still swimming. It's very hot today, scorching. It's very hot out here.
Oh, I'm coming.
Ơi, Japan na imia malay.
Turtle ninja ne.
Magi patap si am ngay wa ne.
Đam phá rồi mày.
Patap. Say hi, it's video.
Hi. Please like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Mathameihaida se hairei. What's more? Hey, boy, I love you, Joy. I love you.
Woo! Clap your hands.
Ay, slipper na isa. Thank you.
Kan này nó nói là plek ở đây không? Amarak gì ô, amarak gì?
Mà chi thôi. Ê, mà con rồi.
Thôi. Yêu ấm người đó lộ.
Sudah. Ada loh. Sige.
First and boss, we are going to start preparing our chicken. Làm ra cái quái đây vô khăn hóa rồi lấy tôi mua hôm nay. In the corner we have Mr. Baganzaba. In the middle we have Mr. Ningshi. And here we have Mr. I don't know. State your name.
Hi guys, my name is Kom. I'm from Kerap, Sanpur district.
Okay, which Woo! Our singers. Sing. You don't really care for music, do ya? Where it goes like this, the 4, the a fifth, a minor fall, and a major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah. 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 Woo! Us underwear hot na. No, the underwear so hot. Thun na di pune. Mas ikai ni. Incoming. Careful, careful. Mình nấu go, khi lấy sao không? Cái gì hairei cái tật lắm có cứ cái sao sih? Kak suluy terus. Nih. Ay koy kiyen sa. Bunday tre. Kalau ini bisa tre. Haldi yao. Pace. I boil iskos. Half boil. Ya. Nup. Woohoo. So right now we are here at Barak River and we got internet here. Only not here, more the Manipur, so no. So everyone is serving internet here now. We will have our dinner very soon and we'll be going back home very soon as well. Internet pangbagi sunglass habe madi. Hi ma. Kape. Our curry is almost done. Ano. Woo! Chicken duck. Wow, what a view. Okay, so we have finished preparing our meal, dinner, let's say. So we'll be having now. And then after this we will be going back. So let's check it out and let's have together our dinner. So white rice. Saklo na lang sida. Hey, chicken distribution. Where is our champut? Oil. Okay. Only this. Yes. Okay. So, how is your day? Did you enjoy?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Ito. By the way, when we are having dinner, the view is very, very beautiful today. I'm mentioning again and again because it is so beautiful I can't ignore it. It's amazing, really. Wow! What a view! Dun. See, it's beautiful and amazing. I think today we chose the right spot. I climb every mountain. Woo! Good one. Play. Let's see your play. Wow. So how is your day?
That's good.
Alright. How is your day?
Find yourself.
Hey, eat well, eat well. Da-da-da-da-da-da-dun. Ôi con ơi! Ôi, nang di oksay am noon eh. Hey! Only that! Woohoo! Ôi chú chắc chắn được ghê! Đây là mơ, đây là mơ. I will be showing you again after having dinner. So, see you in a bit. So it is time for us to leave. So we'll be leaving now. See how beautiful it is. Wow. So we'll be crossing from here, from the river. They already started crossing the bridge and the river. So we had a very great day. We had a good day. We enjoy our day. When you see in the video, I don't know whether you are in it or not, but we do have a very great day. Cùng thay giá rồi vậy anh, chẳng kết. Có mầm khá này, nó có dùng mầm bà lưu gì, này xin ăn mà. Thì có mầm bà lưu gì. Mà thấy bà số cái cái nó đỡ mình chấm sao lại nó đỡ. Bấm tha lắc vẻ rồi cái gì đó bấm tha này đó, tha này đó rồi你养空了的。Bấm来。Parapedos. Đưa hậu tôi đứng là lẻ rồi này. Cái thằng là đừng này. Thì sai đi thì những ngay đấy. Hi, here again. We're supposed to go home, but our vehicle is still not here yet, so we used to play a game. So we are playing here right now. This is the first round. Tình thế này, thật ra picnic spot đi first round là hay mình được chứ. So students are having fun. Nè bro. Cái thằng là gì? Mình phạt lên. Nó sao với lịch khang chụp ngay.
Đi qua ngang.
Nó sao với lịch khang chụp ngay. À rồi mà làm này tiêu rồi explain sao? Iring phalai bam này cơ ta. À vui tụi mình phalai bam sel này. Trả lại bam sel này. Ishi cái tiêu không người giờ được này nữa rồi xem không chỉ tiêu thạc hay thế này. Ishi turf down người giờ này. Ishi party ping này ishi hosteler nào ping người giờ người được này ishi. Ishi người được cái sim bạc cái sao rồi ishi. So this is how it looks like outside the turf ground. This is amazing. Like I told you before again and again, the view is so good today, beautiful today. Da, 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 dum. Alright, let's go home. Okay, now we are way back home. We are going back home. Simmo sẽ ra vợ, ở trong này chúng ta bơm gì về ra đấy, đừng giật quay lại vợ. Finally, we are home. We have reached Maram. We have reached Maram Bazaar. This is Maram Bazaar. We are going back to our colony. Hi. We have reached Maram Center. Maram Center này, Maram Center. Xem một rát lẻ rồi bà. This is our school, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. We have reached our campus. We are now about to reach our colony. Hey, we have reached our colony. This is Kavanam, Maram Kavanam. We are going to stop here. So finally we are here. This is the vehicle that has been, picking up, dropping us. Hi. So finally, yes, I am in my room. I have reached my place, my room. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching the video till the end and for having spending time with me. All right, we all had a great day. I believe that you had a great day as well. All right, so yes, thank you for all your love and support all the time. Because of you, I am running this channel, even though it is small. All right, so keep on supporting, keep on showing your support every time. So new video will be again uploaded soon. All right, so see you again in the next video, everyone. Take care and peace out.